everyone, this is Maria Palazian from London Contemporary School of Piano. Today we will learn Abu and Yousra Daqat, which means 3 heartbeats. Now, what I've done with the song is I've transposed it a semitone higher. So let's get started with it. Let's look at the chords. So it has only 4 chords: A minor, D major, G major, and then E minor. I repeat again the chords: A minor, D major, G major, and then E minor. Now, what about the introduction? What about the melody? It's very easy. It's only a short motif. Look. See? I skip a note, then 3 notes down. And the second motif, it has the same shape, but starts on the B. The whole song, the whole song is based on these 2 motifs. I'll repeat again. Now in the beginning, it would be nice if we don't play the chords as they are, and if we change it a bit. Look what I'm gonna do. I will play the A, then a 5th, then an octave from the 5th, then a 3rd down. The same thing I'm going to apply to D major, to the 5th, octave, then a 3rd down. The same thing on a G, octave from the 5th, then 3rd down, then E minor. Let's try these chords a bit faster. Now, I'm going to put it with the right hand. Now, we will repeat again the melody, but here we will do some connection. Then again. Now, we will repeat the melody for 2 more times, but this time we will add an oriental rhythm to the chords, which is this: doom, tak, tak, doom, tak, doom, tak, tak, doom, tak. Doom, tak. And what you can do with the melody is you can add some ornaments to it. Let me play the introduction from the beginning one more time, so that you can see all the connections and how the rhythm changes. Now, we will start with the first verse. The first verse actually is based on the first motif, but we will repeat some of the notes a few times. For example, look, we're going to repeat the A. It's the same motif, but we're repeating the A. The same thing with the second motif. But then we're going to change and we're going to do the same motif but starting on the D by adding an A sharp to it and B. I repeat again the melody. What about the chords? It's all the same. A minor, D major, G major, and E minor. And we will keep this oriental rhythm to it. Tum tak, tak, tum tak. Let me play it. Now, the continuation of the first verse is exactly the same how we started. But you can do some like additional notes here, which is repeating the same phrase, and it will give it a nice texture. It will sound nice actually. See, but the second time I went up to the D. And it's back. And this is how the verse ends. Let me do the second section of the verse again. I will add the chords now, which is still the same. A minor, let me play verse 1 from the beginning, both sections. This brings us to the chorus section. Now, let's look at the chords first because we will change them a bit and we will add a few new chords. That's E minor, then we will go to A, D, then to G. Now C, this is new, then it's F sharp major, then to B major, then C, D, B minor now, then E minor, A, back to the F sharp major, and then B major. Let me do the chords one more time. E minor, A minor, D major, G major, C major, to F sharp major, then to B major, C major, D major, B minor, E minor, A minor, F sharp major, then to B. Now, let's look at the melody. Then we'll go up to G, then go down, then to F sharp, A sharp, A, B. See, I'm just staying on the B and doing some ornaments here. F, F. Let me do it one more time. It's different than the introduction, it's different than the verse. It's not based on this motif. So it's kind of different. Let's repeat it one more time. Go up to G. Up to F. Then the ornament. Up. Now, let me put it with the left hand. I repeat the chorus section one more time, and I'm going to show you the rhythm of the right hand and the left hand. First, they start together. Then it's the bass of the left hand. Then again the bass, then the right. Bass, then the right. Bass, then the right. Bass, then the right. It's the same here. Here you can just play the chord. Then again bass, bass. Now together, together, bass. Now, after playing the intro, verse and the chorus, then the song continues again with the verse, but with the second section of the verse. Let me play it so that you know which section I'm talking about. Then comes the chorus, and after the chorus comes the section where Yousra sings it. Yousra sings in a very low register, in like below the middle C. So we're gonna look at the melody line first because the chords are the same again. It's A minor, D major, G major, and E minor. So this is how she sings. I repeat it again. It's kind of the same notes, but in different direction, in different order. Now we will play the chorus, but an octave lower. And the song ends with the intro. You can either play just with the oriental rhythm, or you can either go back and play like we started. Now I'm going to play the whole thing from beginning till the end.